a small part of the embroidered educational works of my students in line art technique. Line art PhotoStitch embroidery is developed by me. For a good result when creating this type of PhotoStitch, you need a photo taken with good lighting. Preliminary preparation of the photo. Maximum highlighting of characteristic features, such as eyebrows, eyes, nose, face shape. Emotional expressions, such as a smile, surprise and other manifestations of emotions. For the lesson, I use photos from the internet, and you will create and practice on your photos. This lesson only shows the principle of creating line art PhotoStitch. If you have artistic skills, the result will be even better. Where necessary, draw. Where not necessary, delete. I recommend that you arrange the editor panels, buttons and tools as in the video clip. This will save you time in repeating actions. Let's begin. Go to the embroidery module CorelDRAW Graphics. Import. This could be your photo. I downloaded a picture from the internet for the lesson. The picture is attached to the lesson. Click on the work field and insert the image. Drag the corner marker and increase the size. Rotate the mouse wheel to zoom in on the image. Select B-spline and outline the desired area. We outline the desired area with dots. Before reaching the starting point, press the key. We zoom out from the drawing. Select all. Press the button Intersect. Click on the image outside the outlined area B-spline. And we delete it. By pulling the edge, we move the B-spline, which we used to select the desired area. And we delete it. Select all. Select Convert to Bitmap. Select all. We close the lock. We enter the dimensions 120 mm in height. Duplicate. Move the duplicate to the side. Pay and download the full version of the practical lesson.